A peaceful morning. David, come here now.
What? Emma, tell me this is not real.
Whack, Father, I can explain.
Wow, an RV.
Your wow is very small.
I'm sleepy.
Well, let's make it bigger.
Okay. Wow, it's huge. Is it a spaceship?
It's an RV, buddy.
Let's go see.
Not a spaceship, it's an RV, recreational vehicle.
Whoa, really? Yes, really.
A giant house on wheels in our yard?
It's incredible.
Wow, so big!
Awesome. All right, let's go inside.
A table! A bed! Anna's books! My toys!
Yes, your special things. David,
Okay, yes, I did it. I rented the RV last week. Surprise!
Wow, really? That's so cool!
what a great surprise.
Best surprise ever! Best surprise ever! Woo!
Summer break starts today. We learn real things.
Yeah, let's go! Yay! This is the best! It's a great way to learn.
About nature, roads, and weather.
And life lessons.
Captain Peter is ready. First hills and mountains, then a lake.
Wow, it's moving!
Look, the lake is forming.
So cool! Lake means water, right? Can we fish?
Yes, it does. We can definitely fish. After that, Niagara Falls.
Wow! Awesome! Niagara Falls! Cool!
Look at that view!
It's beautiful, so relaxing.
This is so much fun! It really is.
It's bumpy!
The road is a little rough here, but we'll be through it soon.
It's bumpy!
It's okay, sweetie. Just a bumpy road.
Travel notebook.
That's a great idea.
What will you write?
Write about the trees and the birds.
Wow, look at that lake!
Cool! Can we go in?
All right, we'll stop here. Hello, beautiful day for a trip. It certainly is the perfect day.
Are you traveling far?
Just following the road. Tracking. See the bent grass in this footprint? It shows an animal passed by.
Wow, a real forest!
Shh, not so loud.
Kids will be kids. Nature remembers. The world is our classroom.
Wow, Dad! A fish!
All right, here it comes.
Dad!
Great catch.
Wow, it's cooking!
It looks perfect.
Just a little more.
Yay, fish!
Here you go, buddy.
It tastes like brave food!
Brave food, I love that.
It vanished.
Max! Max! You're back! I missed you, Max!
Good boy, Max.
Seatbelts.
We're buckled.
Yes, mine's on. Me too.
Help! I must reach the lighthouse!
What is it? The light is out. Please, help me fix it. We're on it.
Light gives direction. Look carefully, everyone.
It must be nearby.
I think I see something! Let's keep looking.
I followed the light. Strong and gentle.
Just like nature.
Wow, so beautiful.